Hi and welcome to GRASPx Robotics 101 series. We will need one Arduino UNO board, one ultrasonic sensor, and servo motor, few male-to-male jumper wires, an USB A to B cable, a two-way tape, any container for this Smart Dustbin project, any container would do. And then for the lid, I have just taped together these two sheets of paper, and this has the same diameter as the container so that it would look like a lid. And I have extended this rectangular piece so that we can put in this adhesive here for this flapping purpose. That's it. Let's start with the connections now. Take your ultrasonic sensor and male to female jumper wires. Insert the female ends like this. Now we have VCC, trigger, echo and ground pin. The VCC goes to 5 volt like this. We have the trigger pin that goes to pin number 11. Then the echo pin to pin number 10, and in the end the ground pin right below the 5 volt like this. Now let's connect our servo. We have 3 wires, brown, red and yellow. The brown one is for ground, red is for the 5 volt and yellow is for the angle. Let's connect male to male jumper wire end. This. Now the purple is the ground one, so we will go to ground here. Then the blue is the 5 volt, so we will find the 5 volt here, and then in the end we have the yellow one, which is pin number 9 like this. So we have connected the servo. Now both connections are done. Let's see how we can put this on the container. So now I'll take the container, put a two-way tape wherever we wish to mount our ultrasonic sensor, and put the ultrasonic sensor like this. Now let's tape a servo. On this side we will stick 2 layers of two-sided tape like this, and then stick it on the inside of the container. If you want, you can add one more layer of tape so that this doesn't crash with the lid like this. Now you can see that we have taped the ultrasonic here and the servo here. It's time to put on our lid so that this would look like a dustbin. So we have this end. Let's put a two-sided tape here. See it right in there like this. You can see that the servo will turn up so that the lid will push up, but we need a little bit of extension to the servo's hand. So I have rolled this piece of paper and taped it together. I'm just going to put this like it, just like that, no adhesive needed. Now let's plug the USB cable. Let's review the code now. First thing we do is include our servo library. Then we define the pin numbers, define the variables, that is duration and distance, and create object called as myServo. You can refer the previous code as well. We have written very similar in the setup also. Define the trigger pin, echo pin, and we have attached the servo wire, that is the yellow color wire, to pin number 9. This pin is going to define that what's the angle of the arm of the servo that we are going to give. Then we write the code to measure the distance from the ultrasonic sensor, and the distance has come in the centimeters. For our project to work, we need that whenever some object is close to the ultrasonic sensor, the lid of the dustbin gets opened, right? So if the distance is less than 10 centimeter, our servo pushes the lid to the topmost position, that is the 90 degree, and then it waits for 1 second. If there is no object, then the servo doesn't move. Okay. Now this waits. We tell the distance in the serial monitor, and it waits for 1 second, and then again this loop continues. Now let's go ahead and upload this code. Okay, now I'll open the serial monitor and we can see the distances here. Now I'll make my hand come closer. So I'll remove the hand. But the lid is not opening fully. The reason being, the 90 degree is going downwards. See, if I come near my hand, it's going downwards. So what we will do is, we'll remove this from here and we'll stick this to the opposite side like this. What we did right now, and then make sure to take the wire from the back side. Okay. Now every time I put my hand near it, the lid opens. Now let's try to throw this. Every time my hand comes forward, I can throw something. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.